postpartum weight loss is not easy. That's what you think, right? And that's exactly what one of my clients thought, because she was struggling to lose weight after giving birth to her baby. Even after a year, she just kept on putting on the weight, right? And she also had uncontrollable cravings. She did not have time for any workouts or preparing separate meals for herself, because she is a working mom. You know, being a mom is a full-time job, right? That too, she's working. So she absolutely did not have time to do anything else for herself. But she still was able to lose weight with my program. Before joining my program, she told me she had a lot of information about weight loss. She thought that she was doing everything right, but still not losing weight, and she blamed her metabolism for that. But that's not true. See, we have all these influencers, Google, YouTube, everything out there. We are getting this random information thrown at us, which may or may not work, right? And we invest so much time and energy of ours to follow those guidelines, and they don't give us results, so it make us feel hopeless. She felt the same. But now, after going through my program, she did not have to prepare separate meals for herself. Her cravings were gone, and she was able to lose weight in just 2 months. She went from this to this without following strict diet. How was she able to do that? Let's hear from her.
A mother of 1.5-year-old child who had gained a lot of weight in her postpartum. I used to read about her stories and I used to feel that this is inspiring and this is something which is consistent. Out of all the fancy diets we see in market, I used to think that this is something I should try it. Hello everyone, I'm Prajakta. I'm Sai's client for her weight loss journey, and I'll try to highlight a few points about my journey so far with Sai and what I have accomplished, and I'm a happy person today. So I started with Sai in maybe I think November 2023. There were few hurdles in my journey. So first I'll go with why and how I started with it. So I was already a mother of 1.5-year-old child who had gained a lot of weight in her postpartum and who was willing to go to the pre-pregnancy weight, but somehow because of work, because I'm a working mother of work responsibilities, house responsibilities, and a baby's responsibility, which was my most priority thing. I couldn't manage it up. Everything, my health was given a second priority amongst all of these things. And I used to read about her stories and I used to feel that this is inspiring and this is something which is consistent. Out of all the fancy diets we see in market, I used to think that this is something I should try it. But I was again, as a human being, I was skeptical. Will it work or not? And again, if at all I'll try it, will it some or the other way harm my body? So I was like, let's not. I was pushing myself back, not to try it. But when that peak moment came up, when my baby was about to turn 2, and I was like, this is enough. I need to do something to gain my pre-pregnancy weight. I had first consultation with Sai about that, and she told me everything that what we will be going to do. I told her my requirements, that I won't be having non-veg, I won't be having whey protein. I don't want any of that fancy or unnatural things that I feel. I want only veg. I can go till egg, but not beyond that. So she said it's absolutely fine. This is a great start and we can do it. And still you can achieve what you want. So what else I want? So we started with it. I mean, she'll try to understand your likings, dislikings, your food variety of food that you have, whatever fruits you like, and everything. She'll get all of the details, and she'll make a beautiful plan of diet that you should have. She won't come up and give you a 1 month of diet and do this every day, every week. She'll go and check it and change it. Every day I used to send her my meal photos and show her that today I ate this, I ate that. Of course, day by day it improved, but week 1 journey was like, I was skeptical. How will it work? My week 1's journey was, it gradually started. Like, she first incorporated more protein into my breakfast in week 1. Then second week was lunch and breakfast, and from third week onwards, we gradually more increased the protein quantities like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and reduced the carbohydrates. And that way, it's all started. And I used to send her inches measured every week, and the way it used to increase, I mean, my inches were getting reduced day by day, day by day, and nothing was imposed on me that if I had even sweet cravings, fine, you eat it, but the quantity of what you eat, that matters. Even eating one kaju katli or 5 kaju katlis, that matters. So you can have one kaju katli and I have your mind satisfied. The thinking really matters, and that's how Sai works on it, and that is called as mindset and manifestation sessions that she used to take up every week. So that used to really change my mindset. Okay, what I want to be at this moment, I'll have to accept the way I am, and going forward what I want to achieve, that should be kept somewhere in my mind, and I should work on that path that I'll achieve it. So that way it started. I used to eat paneer, I used to eat sprouted moong especially. Initially I used to feel like, okay, will I be able to do it? I used to add paneer to any regular sabzi that is made, consider a shev bhaji gravy for example. I didn't used to add shev to it. To that gravy I used to add paneer and let me have it, because being a working mother, because every time making something different for you is difficult. So I used to manage up that way, getting the paneer from market and adding it to whatever it is made. That's all I used to do. Even having khichdi and kadhi, I used to add paneer to my khichdi and eat it along with kadhi. So those were the simple ideas I used, and that's fine. And they gradually really work up on your body. And being a pitta pravritti person, I used to get hungry at like 11. Even if I had breakfast at 9, I used to feel hungry at 11:30, and then again after having lunch at 1 or so, I used to feel hungry at 4 or 5. So these things gradually reduced after having more of protein intake and less of carbohydrates. We didn't reduce or we didn't make carbohydrates as zero, but the carbohydrates quantity was reduced. Instead of that one, if I used to have 3 fulkas, I used to have 2 fulkas, and for that 1 fulka, protein was replaced. So that way it worked for me. Unnatural things happened into my family where I had to leave my diet for almost a month, and I had to be on whatever was made at home, and I had to go with it. But even during this time, I didn't gain weight. It was stable, even if I was not following diet. So that is what is most important into Sai's shaping weight loss journey, where consistency matters. And again, I would add it to like mindset and manifestations that she teaches. That's a very beautiful thing that really cultures you onto how to behave and how you would proceed. The confidence she tries to build in you is more important when having this diet. I never had time for exercises. I never did it. Instead of just simple exercises she suggested to me, which I was not even really regular with it, just this diet thing, having more protein and less carbohydrates, and only all of the natural sources, not whey protein or nothing. Sometimes if I'm in office, I used to order paneer bhurji, egg omelette, paneer paratha. And yes, it is sorted. There are various forms of paneer that I used to make, and I used to have it. And now at this moment, after these many days, the situation is everything, like my sweet cravings are all completely gone. I don't have any cravings. Even I'm second time pregnant now. I don't have any sweet cravings as of now. I'm having very balanced diet even in my pregnancy, and that's the most beautiful thing that I have got after this weight loss journey. And I feel very fortunate to be part of this journey, and I'm really lucky to have Sai, because Sai had been always helpful to me even in my pregnancy starting journey. I told her my problems with diet and everything and nausea. She happily convinced me with manifestation things that how you can deal with them, and really it changed my mindset. So yeah, I'm really thankful to you, Sai, and for all of the things. And yes, I'm able to fit into my pre-pregnancy clothes. I had to do fittings to my dresses this many inches from both the sides, and it really matters a lot for a girl to have all those things done. And it was a complete new wardrobe that I had to buy, and the confidence was rebuilt. I used to feel the way I used to be, and yeah, that's the most important thing I feel. So thank you so much, Sai, for this.